Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream. This easy method uses just a few simple ingredients you likely have on hand. We'll start with 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream, which is crucial for achieving that perfect fluffy texture. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for sweetness and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract to add a lovely aroma and taste. Using chilled equipment makes a big difference too. Now let's get to the fun part. Whipping. Start your mixer on a low speed for about 30 seconds to gently incorporate air. Then, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. You'll notice the cream starting to thicken and expand. Keep an eye on it. You're looking for soft peaks to form, which means the cream holds its shape but the tips curl over slightly. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The key to perfect whipped cream is knowing when to stop. Continue whipping until stiff peaks form, meaning the cream stands up straight when you lift the whisk. Be careful not to overmix, as it can quickly turn into butter. Once you have those beautiful stiff peaks, give it a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, you can gently fold in a little more powdered sugar. For a more stable cream, a teaspoon of cornstarch can be added before whipping. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste and texture, I recommend serving it immediately. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 days. If it separates a little, a quick re-whisk for about 15 seconds will bring it back to its fluffy glory. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.